sister Keisha with me. And yes, I'm looking a hot mess and I don't care. I'm ready to eat. I'm going to let her say grace.
Okay. Most gracious Father, Lord, we just thank you for this meal that you have prepared for the nourishment of our bodies. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. So we have two different seafood platters. One is from JT's, which has been my favorite so far. And this is my first time trying Big Shucks.
All shucks.
This one is Big Shucks.
Oh.
I know they like the same company, but this was from Big Shucks. So, ready to dig in. Tony in the background over there. He didn't want to be in the video, but he want to eat. So, you want to see hands reaching over here?
This is good.
And we just comparing.
My first time trying JT's.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you were been JT.
Yeah.
Remember we went that day and ended up going to Shell Shrimp?
Yeah, we've been plenty of times since.
And I haven't been.
Damn, you
Should
just
have
broke
made
that
some
off.
sauce.
Oh, this is spicy, but it's good.
They are spicy. I got that one spicy and this one medium, but it's still spicy. Woo! Digging on these crab legs.
What you call this thing? Crab, snappers. I don't need them. I just use them.
I was telling him that you might be like him because he's talking about on the shrimp. I don't like when they have the whole shrimp like that.
I don't like when they have a head either.
I'm
I
not used
eat
to
it,
that.
I just snap the head off.
But he eats the shell.
Dude! No, I don't do all that.
Dude. I need a little
That is good.
trash thing.
Fried shrimp. Two different kinds.
And I'm gonna try this. Get a little. Now I'm gonna try the big one. I never ate oysters before, and I'm scared to eat this. No, let me try a little one.
That ain't gonna work.
Huh?
My daughter hating on me.
Okay. Did you dip this in ketchup or what?
Ketchup.
Tartar sauce?
Definitely ketchup. I don't know about the tartar. I'm not really crazy about tartar
I'm gonna think
sauce.
about that and come back to it. Some dry flavor.
They give you whole potatoes there too. Like big whole.
These are smaller.
potatoes. Yeah, I see. Kind of sorry.
Oh, no.
But these came with these might help. Big out there. This thing's so spicy, it got a little scratch on my finger. It's burning.
That ain't gonna work for me.
Got babies.
You forgot to take a picture of the food before you did it. Well, you can still take a picture of Keisha. She ain't doing that. She ain't put a dent in too much.
Yum.
I actually like
Dropping
this
stuff.
one better because this one still got the water taste. Good, but this one got that fresh water taste. And got me on.
I kind of like this one better. JT's seasoning is better. This shrimp is better.
And this corn is so good. Nah, I don't eat the shell. Telling you. I don't eat the shell. Tell me what it tastes like though.
It tastes like shrimp.
Crunchy shell. Why would you want to eat that?
Something like that get caught in your throat.
Worse than some other. Talking about eating no chicken bone.
Yeah, you can eat the whole thing.
I'm not saying I'm gonna do all that. There's gonna be too much.
Eating the chicken bone. But I saw a video of a girl doing that too. See, this one not spicy enough, and then JT's be too spicy sometimes. You can't get the medium because it's not spicy enough.
I'm calling the gobble spicy.
Just want some corn dog? I mean,
Get the potato right.
yeah, that's all. Look. This corn is so sweet and good. I feel I can live with this.
Just put the head.
Girl,
You pull about an
I
antenna,
don't
the head
even
will
think
come
this
right out.
out it. Like you want to eat
I
this?
somebody
because
eat
of-
like all those.
Oh no. I'm sorry, y'all. I got this cold. And then the seasoning made no joke.
On your crab legs.
I'm so sorry. But Tony is a trip.
We
Boy,
like
that
it.
crab is.
Why don't you just keep that like that? I wish I would have went on and made that spice.
Oh, yeah, that's what I was doing. Oh, you don't say yours?
What you did?
I thought I did too, but
Girl, I won't say
I think
that.
they done dumped it out or something.
No, it's probably something in there. You gotta go through all the leftovers and stuff.
You know, because I seen the bowl and I already cleaned, I think.
Is Tiny still with y'all?
Same thing on.
Yes, child. Tiny. I had to want to taste spicy.
Oh, wait.
Oh, she gone?
Yeah, she gone. I can see it. I was jealous of her.
What?
Why was you jealous of her?
Did she really?
That's what she's.
Told who that?
The guy.
Oh my gosh.
Why you jealous of her, Keisha?
Jealous of what?
How
you know what my reaction was.
Baby.
Stop and look a long time.
But how you? He told you that? You talked to
I
him?
saw Michigan.
Oh my gosh. Tiny.
Well, that's a whole nother.
Episode.
When you get through with this, we can discuss that.
So that's a special case.
Yep.
Now I'll
Can
come
she
in
spell
back to
Joe?
big dog.
Well, I know it was gone today. What? What's today? She got it yesterday. No, that was gone. JT, do not be playing with that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm kind of wondering what is that on them crowd little shells.
What
I
these?
ain't never seen them dots and stuff.
I have.
What is that, Clyde? You
I
kind
guess
of
it's just part of.
Probably
Yeah, like
barnacles. or something.
barnacles. I seen them when I got some at the store, and I was like, I don't want that. I know I did.
I'm like trying to lay on the bottom.
And she got mad.
I just don't. Dang it.
What you gonna get mad about?
Dang it.
Like falling apart.
Because I done dropped it 15 times.
I just mukbang gonna have to be
What?
tacos or something. Them,
It says some oxtail.
oh, girl, yeah.
Ooh, them
You gotta
like-
let me know ahead of time so I can go get them at the stove.
I know.
I'll buy some.
Yeah, so we can do that.
Oh, you know we're gonna go bad on the oxtail, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I forgot I got this crab cake. Yeah.
Tartar sauce. Let me sample this. See, the tartar sauce is too watery. I only like catfish flour. I like that tartar sauce because it's homemade.
Catfish Smith.
Catfish flour and oak cliff.
Oh, I never had that.
They be at the fair every year.
The Catfish Smith is homemade.
I like catfish Smith too. Yeah, it's homemade too. That fish strip is small.
I didn't like tartar sauce until I ate that.
They got some good salmon croquette. Top catfish be too bland.
Yeah,
don't season it.
Top hat. But sometimes I have a taste for top hat.
What you need to do is have your daddy make some Kool-Aid while we eating it.
Ooh,
That would
that's
go
gonna be
good.
the oxtail. That's gonna be the
Ooh,
oxtail.
yeah, do the Kool-Aid with the
That's gonna be
oxtail.
soul food.
Diabetes.
Call it what you want to. You can't keep on doing that.
I'm over here choking.
I can't do cows too late.
Shh. But that ain't the best
I'll
Kool-Aid.
just tell them don't make it too sweet.
Nah, don't tell him nothing. Just let him do what he gotta do.
But I like white people Kool-Aid. I don't like my Kool-Aid sweet. Just that 1 cup of sugar that they asked for.
Okay,
All I need.
okay, Auntie asked me to make some good Kool-Aid that one time. Was at the house? With he did something to it. I think he put lemon in it or something.
Yeah, that's what I do. If I make strawberry, I'll just do strawberry.
Okay.
Lemonade or something.
Very good.
Dang it. I'm gonna get 8.
Look. Let me try this oyster.
It's good. It's just, I couldn't tell you what it tastes like.
Little tartar sauce.
Oyster tastes like oyster.
But you like the slime one.
Oh, okay.
I even smoke or fry like that. The smoked oysters in the can. You don't like it?
I don't like the texture.
It's fried. What do you mean with
The
texture?
inside. Can't do it.
Not the end. Good. Alright.
Now, I definitely couldn't do a raw one if I couldn't do that.
You're all over the place.
This cold is killing me. But I refuse to let it stop me.
I just took those braids out. A hot mess. I was looking at hot mess on the last video too. I didn't even care. But
Mika talk, what is a mukbang?
you could braid me up
She
tomorrow.
talking. Okay, I'll do it after church. Mika talk, what is a mukbang? She talking about. When that lady be making the noise, she talk about ASMR. Lady.
They can be both together.
This is the sound of
But the
me.
ASMR is about the sound.
That's what Mika thought mukbang was.
This is the sound of me
The
drinking.
mukbang is just eating and letting people watch you eat a lot of food.
Well, I can't believe how popular that got. This is the sound of me opening my soda.
But what's surprising is how many people actually.
I love watching it. I do.
It is satisfying.
Especially when she's crunching on like that candy or something. Oh, I just love the sound of it.
Sometimes I be watching like, how did I watch this whole 20-minute video of this?
He like, I can't.
You saw the one I sent you about the, I don't think it was some ice you were crunching.
That's what I like the Rwanda crunch on my ice. Lauren, why you hating? I'm in here eating good.
What's your hating on?
Mommy not supposed to have it.
Oh.
I always gotta watch what I'm eating.
You don't want none, Lauren?
Yeah.
You gotta come on before we be gone.
No matter and Tristan would have been down here all on the camera.
Whisper. Whisper.
What you standing there smiling for? What you want?
COVID. Oh, really? You should be giving me her.
No. What, crab leg? From where?
Remember when we went to Shell Shack? It was all of us. We gave it to me that day. And then when Zeke took us, we gave it to me that day. She got tired of cracking them, I guess. Her mom, you can have this.
I know I gotta find where they have the beef shells, because that's what I need.
Oh, girl, that'll be gone so fast. Be sliding down my throat.
What I need. I think boiling crab, what's the one across the
Shell Shack do have the dish.
Yeah, them.
Yeah, they got the dish yellow.
I need to fix see if I see boo-boo and stuff I can't eat.
Oh, come on. Where the boo-boo at?
I can do it down there. They don't clean it good.
Let me take one of them. I clean it myself.
I know I try.
These are ones that taste like fresh water too. These are kind of gummy like.
Yeah, the one I just get into
Some of them be kind of tasting dirty.
too soft.
See, you want to eat this? You just
No.
take that out. Child, please, I clean that one out.
I remember watching one with, Zoe. Goddamn Zoe. The one that be like, I know you fucking wrong. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
He did one. He's like, oh
my goodness.
he was so funny.
Oh my goodness.
I can't do that.
See, just taste.
I don't know how. But see, the first few I ate wasn't like that. They just taste like regular shrimp. But this one, it came like mushy.
Yeah, mushy. That's what it is. What is that? The boiling crab. They just kind of taste like it too mushy.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that beef shell. Like all these spots and stuff. Struggling over there, Lauren. You want this?
I think I have college sleep.
She eat crab legs?
She'll be in her. My California want me to peel it and all that. The mother will not eat these. I mean, he will if they was already this year, but he ain't got time for this.
Yeah, eat the shell like
If he gotta work for it, we don't want it.
Well, that's how I was when I first started
We
eating.
want his food just served.
Because I couldn't get it out good. I was like, forget that.
Yep. I'm working my way on down. And I'm good and full.
It does give me full though.
That's a nice little piece of meat.
I'm on a diet, Lauren.
Now, I saw this video of this lady. She was eating
That huge crab.
I couldn't do that.
Man, all that meat and she broke the claw. I didn't know what you was about to
I
say.
can't do them like 1,000-year-old lobster. If they that big, they'd have been here forever. I can't eat that.
That thing was
I
huge.
I could just give me a good chunk of it. I don't have to have the whole thing.
And you know that thing costs a grip too. Doesn't matter. You know how much regular lobster is? That big old thing?
I had the crab like that too.
I wonder why they flying them.
But I
Australia.
do want to give me some king crab. That's what I haven't had yet.
It was good.
It was good. It was good. Sounds like oh my God.
Look at the head. So which one you think?
I think I will
JT's.
stick with JT's.
JT's.
JT's is good for the price.
I like JT's because it don't get too messy. Like Shell Shack, you have sauce and stuff all over you.
But JT's usually have sauce. That's all I was wondering, like, what the sauce at?
I like the sauce, but it's just too messy sometimes.
Usually like this. A little puddle for you to dip in.
Honey, this did it.
These right here, the ones that I don't like the food with. Those ones I'd be like, you don't have that.
Hard one.
But
That's hard. I love that part.
What did you do to this one? Oh, mango and stuff?
because it was all mushy.
You're probably sick.
I'm just sleepy. Now she get up with the roosters. On the weekend. I can't get up for school.
You don't want to get up then. JT, have my lips burning. That's what I was missing.
When last time we had it, she called into the wrong one and she called in the TJ's. So I was telling the lady that we made the order. She was like, no, you didn't. I was like, yeah, she called in. This is the only one that we know of. The woman got on the phone, called the other ones, and like, here, talk to them. This is the one you called. I was like, no, that's okay. I believe you. No, talk to them. Ask them about your order. I was like, okay, I believe you. It's okay. And then you say K with it. And I was like, okay, lady. Yeah, that's okay.
So you called TJ's instead of JP's corner?
I guess so.
Oh. And where is TJ's located?
I think
Somewhere.
it was in Arlington. Arlington.
Yeah, she said it somewhere. Like almost in the same area.
Just probably ain't worth nothing.
Yeah, she was adamant about trying to get me to talk to them. I was like, okay, lady, I believe you. I believe you, man.
Instead of half an hour time. I'm down to the end.
Ooh.
I got full.
That was yummy. Yeah.
But
You shrimp so good. Put on me later. Yeah, I will eat the tail like this part. I will eat it.
yeah, that's what he was eating.
No, not the whole tail.
He was eating like from here to here.
No,
The whole thing.
I will eat the tail.
It tastes the same.
I don't think so.
I'm done with those shrimp.
That's because that's the inner part. It ain't mushy.
No.
You gotta take the rest off of it.
I tasted that.
You don't like the property?
Mm-hmm.
These are butterfly shrimp. These are good. Lauren, you want a butterfly shrimp?
Probably but eat all that. Miss Picking.
Yes, but he is. Ooh.
I guess this is meat. Meat.
Oh,
eater.
chicken.
That's Kylie though. Why you crying?
Y'all food too?
Crying. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
It's a signature move.
Need to show all your friends.
Thank you. I'm gonna be posting more videos later.
You should have been helping me with my videos.
You knew the whole song too. And then a little routine down. Get a little hand, a little happy hand.
A mess. A mess then and even a bigger mess now. Oh, she just make videos every single day.
You still do?
Girl, like everywhere we go, out in the laundromat, out in the phone up there, propping it up in the grocery store,
Oh, Lord.
What you be doing in the grocery store?
posting it up on the shelf, and wherever she can dance, she gonna dance.
Oh, so it's like that one girl at what is it?
Yeah,
At Apple. She
all that.
remember that girl at Apple when she had the glasses? She,
Yes. And all those pictures.
yeah. Looking like Nana.
She did.
Yes, she was.
Nana gonna get you.
She looked just like Nana.
Nana gonna get you.
She looked like Nana.
Now, if you watch the video, which I know you will,
Tony talking
she
about
look like I broke down now.
Keisha talking about you too.
No.
I didn't say she was. I just said she looked like Nana kind of.
No, I think now got mad.
Hey, much nannies to talk about everybody.
I'm not gonna leave a comment on that.
You know shit.
Yeah, I'm about full now. Yeah, I just need a big bowl of de-shelled crab. Girl, it'll be good to go. That's all I need. A cup of corn.
Y'all sleeping on this part. Why y'all don't eat none out there?
The good part. Oh yeah, I eat that part. The corn shit don't like the shrimp boo boo.
Shrimp boo-boo.
I just fix that out.
Picks that out. You love to make stuff plural.
I am my mother's daughter.
Yep. Exactly where it come from.
Boy, if y'all wouldn't look like, what's that? Whose birthday was
What? Mama said.
Said, what you want to swear? What? I'm taking her packages and then we're doing a mukbang.
You talking that old lobster stuff?
I said, no, mama. It's not a lobster. It's a will.
I tried the lobster.
that? Yeah, we had the lobster tail.
I stick with crab.
Lobster.
That old lobster stuff.
That old lobster stuff. No,
Keisha.
it's crab leg.
We gotta take a trip to Houston
Ooh, man.
soon to go
Can we go,
visit Shatwan.
Can we go? Well, no, we go back on the 17th. We're going to New Orleans though.
When and who?
This coming up Saturday.
Who? Is it Monday?
Mm-hmm. It was supposed to be Friday, but I had to change his ticket yesterday because he didn't think he was going to make it to the airport on time. Mm-hmm, get all hurt. But yes, let's do that. Actually, he's back on. His hour. Well, he can go to Houston or he can come here.
That's all down
Thank
there.
you. Oh, that's what I meant to ask you. Let me taste this here.
You saying you can go to Houston?
Oh yeah, he can transfer to Houston. So.
Messy.
He think he'll get paid more overall.
In Houston?
Hmm. Well, that's close, a little bit close.
So you might be moving to Houston?
That's what he wants. That's what he Houston. That's if he take the position over there. Everything was delicious.
Good. You gotta stick with JT's though.
Yeah, JT's is the bomb. So I can see my platter is. Look at that.
Like prison trays.
We're missing a lemon and a lime.
Oh, I don't have to have on it.
I like that.
The old cafeteria trays.
These are cheap pans.
You are gonna keep these, right? Why?
I'm about to say, why not?
We'll use it for the next mukbang.
Yeah. Wash it out. I want nothing there. You see what money do to you?
So you can use it.
You see, get a little money.
But you can.
And get a little YouTube on her and everything, and then she wanna
I
she
wish
wanna
I
throw
was making
away.
money. Y'all keep on watching
But you can use
videos.
this for other stuff.
Like, comment, subscribe, and we keep
Oh
it
yeah,
going.
she can use it, but no, she too good though. Everybody ain't able.
Shut up.
This was
Oh,
big.
my God.
Just thought I'll keep you and use them for whatever.
Next time I'll be looking cute for the camera. Maybe. Probably you ain't all jazzed up.
Girl, I was about to be asleep.
Okay. Until next time.
I'm gonna do margarita.
Peace, love, and soul.
We don't own the rights to that. Let's see.
Bye.
I have been trying to block the sucker from her thing. I have been trying to block him. So I goes in the messenger.
Who is he?
This African dude, she ain't never met a day in her life, but had been sending him money. She sent the money. I'm sure she sent the money yesterday because she got a check. She sent the money 2 weeks in a row. $100 the first time because he told me he's trying to get over here to be with her. Then the next week she sent him $150. So I go and message her and try to block him with her. I just see all these messages and stuff. They chat back and forth. He talking about I'm no good for her. I'm just jealous of her. And he looked 10 times better than Z.
What, she
I'm
sent him
trying-
pictures of Z or something? How he know? Just from your
When
face?
she was on FaceTime with him when Z was here last time. And so she's like, see, look, this Keisha boyfriend, you know, just so come on, you know, he friendly. Hey, my brother, you know, just talking. So where you from? You know, asking where he from and stuff. He's from Ghana. The dude from Ghana. So anyway, he trying to get a visa. Tony, he probably filled out this fake visa application or whatever. Oh, is your friend? She said, he 33. I said, you sure? She said, yeah. He said, he's 33. I said, oh, because he sent her a copy of the application to make it look like he really applied for it or whatever. That's what the money was for.
How do they be finding these dummies?
Girl, and he got the right one. Closely on this, I said, what does it say his date of birth is? And she was like, December. And then I said, and it says 19 what? She said 80. I said, you was born in 82, right? She was like, yeah. I said, how old are you? She said, I'm 38. I said, age 38. I said, he said he what now? She said, I'm 33. And she said, I'm going to ask him about that because he lying. He told this fool, oh, he messed up on the application. He made a mistake. First of all, you're not finna play with the embassy.
Yeah,
and none of that.
yeah.
They're
You ain't
not
about to play
finna
with
let you
them
make
like
no
that.
mistakes,
Yeah.
honey.
Nuh-uh.
He told her he messed up on the application. He made a mistake. But you got everything right to the T. Like, the
Everything
date of
else,
birth.
yeah.
You know, how you make a mistake on that?
Oh, yeah.
I can understand you put 35.
Put everything in jeopardy
Yeah.
and making a mistake on
Exactly.
stuff.
So you think this fool 33? She's like, that's what he said. Oh, Lord. But anyway, so I'm going through the messages and whatnot. He talking about he looks better than Z. And she don't need to be there with us and stuff. Because this was what happened. And so she texted him and said, this is exactly what she said. She said, Keisha, just sent all kind of stuff. So I'm just reading over that. Because she's jealous of you. Can't you see that? She said, yeah. She replied, yeah, yeah.
She don't see that.
And then, girl. But baby, because she had to walk to the store and left that phone. When she came back, I said, oh, I'm jealous of you. I'm jealous of you. And so she was like, looking like, you know. And she's like, no, I mean it in a bad way. How is jealous in a good way? I start going out for her.
You can't be jealous in a good way.
Then she had to say, well, you do be kind of acting like you know, jealous. Because I don't want you to be the dude because he using you, dummy. Can't you? I said, that's exactly what you're going to do. And then he just feeling my head up stuff. You beautiful woman. I accept you as you are and this and that.
I'm going to take all your money.
Pretty much. Just move away so Keisha don't have nothing to say.
Oh.
You need your own apartment. Then he want her to take a picture of everything she eat, wherever she is. She at the bus stop. Take a picture of the bus stop. This dude is so controlling. So I'm helping her fill out the paperwork. He called. What are you doing? He was like, she was like, oh, Keisha helping me with something. So he was asking her like, what? And then she was like, just take care of my business. And then he was like, what is it? You know, she was like, it's nothing, just, you know, for like 10 minutes. I just looked at her and I said, you know, she said, I'm going to call you back. I promise I'm going to call you back. He texted her and said, I know Keisha hooking you up with somebody. Because I heard her in the background hooking you up. You ain't heard me say, because when I told her how to hang the phone, I said, in the text message I read that, he said, I know she was hooking you up, but well, if you want to be with another dude, then go ahead. Just leave me out of the picture.
How's somebody going to control you from Africa?
But she's so...
I don't even think he in Africa.
Yeah, he's in Africa. He's trying to get here.
She FaceTimed him. They FaceTime
How
each other all
somebody
the
control
time.
you from a whole different
And he really in Africa.
Yeah.
I guess. He's African. Let me show you how he is.
I mean, yeah, he could be African, but that don't mean he in Africa.
But I mean, like, he actually, like, FaceTime her. So I see him, you know, in the background. I know how.
Africa look.
Yeah, you know, I know how to. He live in the village, too, so.
Oh, okay. He might just be down the street from her.
That'll be easier for him to get.
No, he can just keep on getting the money.
He in Africa, because on the receipt, you know, she sent the money to Ghana. He was able to receipt.
Oh, okay,
you know.
yeah, okay.
Just inbox on
Facebook.
Facebook.
One day, saying how beautiful.
Oh,
And then
got her.
He gets mad when the other men, there be some throwed out men coming on stuff, say, hey, you sexy fine things, stuff like that. He gets mad about that. Who was the guy that come in on your thing? Who was that? That's your boyfriend? I'll be like, girl. He tell her he love her. Oh, girl, it gets. Maybe she done sent full body naked videos.
Oh, Lord.
He done sent videos of him. I said, see, I shouldn't even been snooping. I wouldn't read it. This the funny one, though. He had said, send me a video, full body or whatever. She put the camera down.
Oh, Lord, I don't want to hear it.
Turn him around. Boy, it was so funny.
She
I don't know how to take no sexy video.
She had no clothes on?
Nothing in the bathroom. Just show her throat out here. Look, she right
Full body. You did
360. Right there.
She like the child.
said, oh,
What is that one
Lord.
retarded girl?
Don't do that.
Okay, what was the one girl that old dude talking about? It's called what? The black burger from Burger King.
Oh.
What was she calling it?
The black waffle.
Waffle, yeah, the black waffle. Yeah, I just got a hold of the black waffle.
Oh, Lord. I said, this how you know she don't know what she...
Oh, Lord.
Trying to take a sexy video and did a whole 360. I said, boy, this girl right here. He tell her, oh, he love her. You the most beautiful woman I ever met. And this, Kwame. And then Dr. Phil came on. Girl, and the show was about that. I heard just watch the show. This one woman, she was She was 60-something years old. He was 30-something. She had done sent this man like $65,000. It was girls sending people, you know, way more than that on the show. You know, different women on the show. her friend was trying to convince her, he's just a scammer, he's just a scammer. No, he's not a scammer because we talk every day. Of course he's gonna keep in touch with you if you if he getting money from you, dummy. She had her friend to make her wedding dress. Look, I'm married the fool. Ain't never met him. But y'all was gonna get married. So I still asked the friend, why did you make the dress? She was like, because I love my friend and I don't wanna, you know, even though I don't agree with what she's doing, I just don't want to see her hurt and this and that.
It's like the prison window. The
That's
prison
what
window.
She looked like a lockup.
Yeah,
that old Scott, I could just beat his head in.
Sent the mama that money, and she told me, "Now I'm
What,
gonna get."
Scott, the one with the crackhead?
Scott is the one that sent the black.
No, the
chick
$90,000.
Yeah.
Shit.
He broke now, but he.
$90,000. She done got hired in jail.
And then she wanted her own room. Is that the one that wanted her own room?
Room. Now,
Like they didn't want
on
they.
his credit card, and the daughter don't like him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so that's she's like get a
Yeah,
house.
she wanted her own room.
Yeah, she didn't want a room with him or whatever.
Oh, I see that part.
Yeah, when they first got out of jail and they went to the hotel,
Oh,
she didn't want to stay with
that
him.
part. Oh no, Scott a fool.
Got her
And
food.
then the one that's a virgin, and he got
She
the
not
whole,
a virgin no more. He already took that.
he got the whole
Fort Worth.
The black girl from Fort Worth, yeah.
Her dumb self.
and he got a whole baby mama or whatever.
Why did the baby mama remind me of Shauna just the way she talk?
Yeah, kind of.
That looks like a bird.
Remind you of who? Sean.
Shauna,
That.
the way she talk.
Just
Ooh.